You see, I think I found my new favorite electric vehicle. This is the Changan Deepal S07. And after spending some time with it, I've discovered that not all electric vehicles need to feel like they're launching you from Cape Town to Kimberley in like 3 seconds. I wonder if I can fit in here. And there's enough technology in here with a Qualcomm processor running it all that will make your IT department very, very envious. And if you're carrying adults in the back, they'll thank you. If you're carrying teenagers, they'll still complain because, well, they're teenagers. But then also, when you do feel like it, you can put your foot down and go a little crazy. And perhaps most importantly, it feels like a vehicle designed around people rather than specs. As always, drive safe, stay lekker, and I'll catch you on the next one.